before starting anything, before speaking anything, I have learned it from my teacher. There is a golden trick for speaking.
Sir, are you teacher?
No, no, I am not a teacher. Yeah, it's okay, fine. Yeah, tell me.
Sir, are you teacher?
No, no, I am not a teacher. Yeah, first of all, let me introduce myself. Yeah,
Okay.
I am from Calcutta, and I'm an advocate. I'm practicing in Lipur Judges Court at Calcutta. And why I am here? I have nowadays some matters in Bengaluru and Tamil Nadu, and I have been there twice or thrice, and I faced a lot because they are using their local language. I can't understand a little bit, and that's why I am intent to enhance my English fluency through these apps, like conversing others and other people. That's it. And yeah, could you please quickly tell me a little bit about yourself?
Yeah, actually, my name is Mohammad Akram,
Yeah.
and I live in Aligarh, UP, Uttar Pradesh.
Okay.
Now I am a student,
Okay.
and I am practicing in English online.
Yeah. Fantastic. And other than
Mhm.
your hobbies,
Yeah, my hobbies is reading, writing, and poetry writing.
whoa, fantastic. Yeah.
Yeah.
And
Mm,
yeah, tell me.
but my hobby is poetry writing, but in Urdu language.
Okay.
Yeah,
Except
and
Urdu, in Hindi or other languages, you don't use.
no, I use my mother language is Hindi.
Okay.
I like visit other. I like to meet new peoples and visit new place.
Okay. And
Yeah, and I
and
also like I also like watching videos on YouTube related to
okay.
English speaking.
Okay.
Many channels I am watching nowadays.
Okay. Tell me one thing.
Yeah,
Uh, what problem do you feel regarding your speaking in English?
yeah. I am normally I am facing problem in speaking English speaking tenses. I know all tenses. What is the table? All tenses. But that time I am speaking, tenses are not come in my mind.
Oh, at the time of speaking, I find here and there various tenses.
Yeah.
Mhm. Don't worry. Don't worry. I have the same problem. I was the same problem. I had faced the same thing. Yeah.
Yeah.
Whenever you intend to speak anything, I'm telling you, whenever you intend to speak anything who is front of you, before starting anything, before speaking anything, I have learned it from my teacher. There is a golden trick for speaking. Before speaking anything,
Yeah.
suppose I asked you a question. Akram, tell me something about yourself. Tell me something about your hobbies. Before answering, what you will do? Take a pause. Take a pause. Take a deep breath. Inhale it and exhale it. So that fraction of second we can avail this time for that time we can make a sentences or make a skeleton in our brain, and we
Maybe
can,
it is possible.
yeah, it will take some time, but it will work. I must say, I guarantee it to you. Take a pause before stating anything, before telling anything. Take a pause, inhale, take a deep breath, inhale, exhale, so that we can formation of skeleton of our sentences in our brain and started to speak out.
Okay,
Not like
I
that, not, yeah, I'm telling, not like that. Everybody or who in front of you, you wants from you the in fast way. Take your time. Take your time. Your thought process is going on in your brain and speak out it. So that one thing comes after another.
yeah,
You will follow it, you will get result. I must say.
yeah, I will try to follow this.
Yeah. And something like that at the time of talking. Yeah, Akram, tell me something about yourself. I told who is front of me one or two sentences. After that, I have no words. This kind of problem you have, isn't
Yeah,
it?
yeah,
I have no
sure.
words. What I will say, I have no words. But I have. You have the vocabulary. You have the vocab. You have the pronunciation. You have the grammar. But at the time of talking, I started humbling. I started stammering, isn't it?
Yeah,
Yeah, no problem. You will overcome it. I am what I am telling and what I have learned from my teacher. I told you because there is nothing. English is a language. Just English is your language, like your Urdu, like your Hindi, like your Bengali, like your Tamil. Not like that. Yeah, it's a big thing. How can I speak English? Nothing. No worry. I have a
yeah.
channel.
If I see like a language, so
Yeah.
that time English is not very hard because sometimes village people are speaking in every language in normally, so we can suddenly copy minimum 50% language is. So
Yeah.
like this in English, if we have try to speak, we can easily.
See, you itself, you yourself gives the answer because at the time of one thing, at the time of watching, I can understand. If I watch this video or whatever I have seen twice or thrice, I can remember it, isn't it?
Yeah, maybe.
Uh, Maybe, not maybe, yeah. And if you watched twice, thrice or more, you can speak some dialogues from this video.
Yeah.
But why I am what at the time of talking, why I can't? It's the problem. Nothing. Whatever I said, you have the vocab, you have the grammar, you can understand English. Then one problem is there, only speak. I am telling you, and I am giving you assurance, one day you will be the fluent speaker in this world. Because only one medicine is there, speak, practice, practice, practice. Without practicing, there is nothing. Only one medicine is there, practice. And one golden rule is there. At the time of talking, don't think about your grammar. Try to speak whatever you say.
Yeah, my teacher is also saying this, that you are not focusing on grammar. You should not hesitate. You 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 should always speaking. wrong or right. If you speak right, I will tell you. But speak, because that time I'm joining the physical classes, I was not speaking.
He
So
said he said the right thing.
yeah,
Try to speak each and everywhere. Try to speak each and everywhere. Whenever you suppose you are in your field. Yeah, I'm here. The weather is very good. So greenery is there. The sun is setting, and I am sitting over here. After bathing, taking a mirror effect. You in front of your mirror. Oh, my hair is very nice. Yeah, it's very black. Yeah, and my comb is very nice. Yeah, my skin is very fine. Like this, using this. No worries about your English. You know. That's why English is not other than a language. Don't worry, it will be fine. It will be fine. You will cope up it. You will grab it. I must say, one day you will be the fluent speaker in this world. Just follow it.
sir.
Try to speak each and everywhere. Try to speak each and everybody.
Yeah, okay, sir.
What?
Sir,
What? Yeah. Tell me.
I want to know what is your mother language?
Bengali.
Bengali. You cannot
Yeah.
Hindi. You cannot speak
No.
Hindi.
Yeah. I know Hindi. I
Yeah,
know Bengali. I know Bengali. I know Hindi. I know Odia. I know English. I know little bit of Tamil.
you know many language, but I know only Hindi and Urdu. English now I am learning.
No, I must say, you know Hindi. You have the grip over English, but problem is there only speaking power.
Yeah.
What we thought, I am telling English. All the friends of mine, they are making fun. अरे तुम इंग्लिश बन गया, अभी इंग्लिश बोल रहे हैं. Isn't it?
Yeah, many people saying this.
Don't think about those persons who are talking like this. One day when you will be a fluent speaker, then those people come to you for learning their English. I must say you. Yeah, tell me about your family members. Tell me about your yeah. Yeah, tell me about your family members. How many brothers, sisters do you have?
Yeah, I have belong working class family, and
Okay.
mm, my family is all member is in my family 8 members. My parents
Okay.
and my brothers and sisters.
Okay. How many brothers do you have?
5.
5 brothers. Sister?
Yeah, 1.
One sister. And
Yeah.
your number?
Yeah.
What
What?
is your number? You are
2.
elder. Yeah, younger. Yeah. You are
My
second.
yeah, I am the second.
Yeah. In this place, what we will say? We are six siblings. We are
6.
six siblings.
Yeah, we are
And
6 sibling.
siblings. Yeah. Yeah. Did you have your evening tea?
What? I cannot listening properly.
Did you have your evening tea?
I cannot understand what you trying to
शाम
say.
को चाय पी लिया?
No. I don't like tea. I like only in the morning.
Oh, you don't like tea.
Yeah,
You don't.
I drink only one time in whole
Only
days.
once. Only once.
Yeah.
Uh, what did you have in your lunch? What did you have in your lunch?
What did you have in my lunch? Yeah.
Yeah.
Today I have eaten rice with I have not what we can say dal.
Come on. Dal. Okay, dal. Come on. Dal fry. Dal fry.
Dal fry. Yeah.
Yeah. And
I have eaten rice with dal fry.
fish, mutton, chicken, something like that.
No. Now I am only this.
Only.
Yeah.
Yeah. And nowadays the holiday is going on. You were in your house, at your house. After having our conversation, what you will do? What's your
I
program?
what is the now I have a time and 7 p.m. till
Yeah.
so after 7 p.m. I will go to pair and
Okay.
next I will teach some student.
Yeah. Come on. Fantastic. Come on. Come on. Next.
Next I will going to teach some students because I am a teacher. I am teach home tutor.
Next. After that. Come on. Fantastic.
After that, two and three plays I will teach teaching, and after that I have not exit plan. What will I do?
Yeah. Yeah. Fantastic. Yeah, my observations regarding you, regarding our conversation,
Yeah.
I will correct two or three things. One is you have the good vocabulary. You have the vocabulary. You have the knowledge of English. No problem. It will overcome. You will overcome it after some conversation. And don't think about at the time of talking about the grammar portion. Is there any correction or not? Don't think about it. Just started to talk.
Yeah, I also try this, but nowadays I am some focusing on my tenses because nowadays little bit word is coming that time I speaking, so I am focusing both our side speaking and grammatically mistakes.
No, I have advising you. I am advising you. Leave
Yeah.
it. Leave it your grammatical focus at the present moment.
Okay.
Only talk. Only practice. Wherever you go, I am with you. I have a tagline. Wherever you go, I am with you. Wherever you go, English with you. Every people have a fear. How can I speak? You know,
No,
but
some people thought that I have many mistakes in speaking English, and
no,
this video is posted on YouTube. So this is a fair. Many people carry criticism, something like this. So that's why.
you don't think about who care. Don't think about those people who
Yeah.
are make fun at this present moment. You are talking English, but one day when you will be the fluent speaker, I must say those people come to you. भाई तुम कैसे किया ये?
Yeah.
Forget about those people. Okay.
Yeah. Okay.